Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My voice is a little scratched, but I'm out here with our new Ford Bronco, and we just installed the trunk guard retractable cover that goes in the back of the Bronco, and it's really easy to install. Actually, it looks factory. So you have 4 pieces that you just clean with alcohol and stick on with tape, and on all 4 sides, and you just pull it. It's like factory. If you've ever had these on any other car, it looks factory. Very high quality too. I mean, surprised for that price. What's cool about it is on the ends, when you put those on, it actually hooks on a little bit, so it really won't slide if if it come loose. That side too, and then this one actually comes around the corner here. So all in all, very happy with this one. I'll put the link in the description below, and yeah, this is the 4-door Sasquatch, but I'm sure it doesn't matter. Might be different with the 2-door. I'm not sure about that, but I do know that this is on a 4-door. So that's the setup. That's how easy it was to do. The hardest part was just figuring out which way these go, because there really was no good instructions, but it's not real hard to figure out. But you can see these pieces look factory in there. So, but that's it. That's the trunk retractable shade thing, majigger. So like, subscribe, hit that notification, and links in the description to this product on Amazon. All right guys, thanks for watching.